So what's up guys, this is Mivom and welcome back to yet another video. So right now we have Ducati brothers over here. The first one is the Ducati Street Fighter V4 Special Edition from the Ducati Corsa, which has this matte silver and matte black color scheme, and which is looking very cool and devil. Look at this Brembo brakes, Öhlins caliper, and this single side swing arm, and the exhaustive underbelly. Just look at this machine, man. It's a masterpiece. Wow. Ducati. So let me show you from the front. The bike look mean, man. Wow. This matte carbon fiber, carbon winglets, and after the sun reflection on the bike looks wow. Just look at this handlebar. Ducati Street Fighter V4 Special Edition. So let me show you from this side angle. And this car guy is irritating me while vlogging or while explaining. Wow. The yellow suspension. The bike looks so aggressive, man. Whoa. The aerodynamics, which helps the bike to reduce air. And let me show you from this back side angle. So now quickly heads toward this Ducati Hyper Motorrad 1200, I believe. And I think it's been wrapped. It's looking quite beautiful. This is the engine. This bike headlights look like a toy. It's very creative, red on black. So this whole is a seat cover. The TFT display and the switches. Same, the yellow suspension, and the major thing, it has got the SC Project system, quad exhaust. Whoa. The tire looks same between the Street Fighter and the Hyper Motorrad, and we have also got a third Hyper Motorrad. And surprisingly, this bike has got full carbon fiber finished. The whole panel has got the carbon fiber. The aftermarket exhaust, and this, I don't know what do we say right now, I'm not getting it, but whenever the bike starts, this rotates and it shows that it's made in Italy, and it's looking quite beautiful. The whole engine, single side swing arm. The exhaust name is Vandeman. This is me first time hearing about this exhaust. Carbon fiber Hyper Motorrad SP Special Edition. And it says built brutal SP09. This carbon fiber panel is looking so beautiful in sunlight, man. It's glittering. Ducati. Wow. Just look at the bike from this angle. Whoa. This whole handle has been changed with new buttons, I believe. Colorful buttons. Wow. It's a piece of art. Whoa. Just look at the bikes from behind. See the difference between both the Hyper Motörrad. The stock, the factory one, and this full carbon finished Hyper Motörrad. So comment down, people, which bike would you prefer if you got the money? The Hyper Motörrad Carbon Special Edition Carbon Fiber one, the stock Hyper Motörrad, or the Ducati Corsa Street Fighter V-Post Special Edition. You don't get to see this bike every day. Never. I'm very lucky to spot this all the bikes today. Damn. Look at this panel. Damn. Beautiful. Somehow I missed this Street Fighter, which has also got this. What do we call this? Comment down, people. Right now I'm not getting what do we say this part, which rotates whenever the bike starts. Ducati cars. Ada, sarak.